Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute an Instagram group on PC. We start by opening Instagram and logging into our browser. Next, we are going to click on the Messages section and then on the group to silence. After that, we will click on the top conversation information icon. Here we will see the mute messages option and we can activate it to silence that group. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.